Hello friends, here 2400 plus premium logo bundle with fonts. These files for Adobe Illustrator and some files for Adobe Photoshop, but these are protected. First you need subscription for access of my all file. Go to sherry.com. Here three different membership plan, one for 1 month 30 days and here 90 days and here lifetime membership. Okay, here font link and these files are Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. APS file, Illustrator and Photoshop, and here font link and here preview file. APS and here PSD file. And here font links. You can customize. I hope these are useful for you. Take care. Allah.